In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by accessing Recorder app and tapping on this gear at the top right corner. Then manage all of those options however you want to, like format. And when you finished, go back. Now click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. If you never used Recorder before, hit while using the app and allow. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this left button. To add a bookmark, click on the right one. And to end it and save it on the middle one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. Then hit allow. To rename it, hold it, select rename at the top and type in wherever you want to. Then click OK. To delete it, you need to hold it again, but this time choose delete option and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!